What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of T for Tesla. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to take off this aero rim, okay? So I'm going to give you a little close-up on this, okay? So this, when you come with Model 3, we decided not to upgrade to the new, to upgrade any rims, okay? Because we thought these, after looking at the pictures, were just gorgeous, okay? Especially with the electric blue. We're just, it just matches up really well. So we decided not to upgrade, okay? But we thought, I don't care what people say, these are the most freaking hideous, ugliest thing. I don't care how aerodynamic it is. That's why we got the 310 miles battery, okay? I don't care, Elon. Now, I think Elon did this for a reason. I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt, okay? But first of all, I want to tell him this is the freaking ugliest hubcaps I've ever seen in my entire life, okay? Ridiculously ugly, okay? But knowing Elon, he likes to surprise us, okay? I think he did this. I think he always had these rims underneath, right? And he did this as a surprise. That's just my guess, or maybe his engineer decided to do that as a surprise, okay? So first of all, it'll come like this. It's easy to pop off, okay? So what you do is you grab the two inside here. What I did was, it took me like 10 minutes with the other guy, the delivery guy, right? You grab here and you just yank it and pop it right out. It's just held on by clips. Easy pop out, okay? Then you buy this kit. There's a kit that comes with it, okay? The center cap, I'm not gonna pop that out to show you because I don't wanna scratch anything, but the cap is really easy. It doesn't, when you pop that out, there's a center empty piece here. So you take this T, take it in there, boom, pop it in, done. Take these they're plastic caps for the lug nuts, boom, boom, boom. They look sweet. Hell of a lot better than this ugly aero wheel. There are some people who like this, and what I recommend is you guys go on to the Tesla website and buy this ahead of time. For those of you who get the Model 3 future Model 3 owner, I would buy this ahead of time. I think it's like between 25 to 30 bucks for it. Buy ahead of time, okay? So when you're in the delivery thing, you can either ask the guy to do it for you, because he helped me do it. It took us, like, both of us, like 10 minutes, boom, in no time, okay? You can even do it yourself in no time. It's easy. Pop the hubcap off and then put this on here, okay? So buy ahead of time, guys. Buy ahead of time. I got mine delivered in like 3-4 days, all right? So get ahead of time, so when you have there, you can go, so when you're there, you can have them put it on and you can drive out looking good versus looking horrible in this, okay? So you can drive out looking awesome. Now, like I said, I'm a big believer in, like, Elon likes to surprise us. I think this was his plan the whole time, to surprise us, because I think when he showed us this, they're like, oh my God, I just paid how much for this car, and this is ridiculously ugly hubcaps, and then boom, surprise. That's what at least I think. I hope to God that's what his plan was, okay? Because once again, one last final time, ugly as hell, okay? All right? Hell, I think hell might look better than that. Anyway, that's a little quick tip for you guys who are a future Model 3 owner. It looks sweet. I wouldn't upgrade if you get a dark color. Now, if we would have gotten white, I might have considered getting the other one, the silver, to match up with the white. But otherwise, a darker color, this is sweet. Okay, I've seen it on a gray, awesome too. Okay, once again, in Elon we trust. Peace out.